Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Gamer. In this video today guys, we are going to be looking at the new cryptocurrency prices and how Bitcoin is actually doing on the CoinMarketCap exchange. So guys, right now we are at $19,000, $19,000 with Bitcoin. This is absolutely incredible, guys. I cannot believe how bullish the market's getting. It's fantastic. So as you can see, we have had a pretty good progression. Over the last 24 hours, we went up by 4.5%, 45%. And over the last 7 days, we've almost went up by a full 10%. As I said, we went up by probably $1,000 by the looks of things. 1,900 almost. Ethereum is doing really well. It's pushed past the $500 mark and it's actually into the $600 mark. It's went up by 27% in the last 7 days, and in the last 24 hours, 1.45%. XRP has absolutely rocketed. That is basically doubled. It's went up by 26% in the last day alone, and up 129.76% in the last 7 days, guys. This is incredible. If you're holding XRP right now, especially if you decided to buy a lot of XRP, if you're a relatively medium to high-level trader, you're going to be in the money. I mean, you could exchange all that into Bitcoin, or you could just take all your profits and make an absolute killing in this market right now, which is brilliant news. Bitcoin Cash, which is another one that I follow on Uphold, that's doing very well. That's up to $346.69. That's went up by 10.94% in the last 24 hours. And 35.28 in the last 7 days, which is brilliant. Litecoin is doing exceedingly well. That has went up to $90. A few months ago, that was only $35. It was worth almost nothing. It was very, very low. It's went up by 2.92% in the last 24 hours and up 23.81% in the last 7 days, guys. This is really, really good. Chainlink has went to $15.77, and that's at 5.85% in the last 24 hours and another 23.89% in the last 7 days, which is really, really good. Polkadot is doing pretty well as well. That's went up by a fair wee bit. That's at $5.79. I don't follow Polkadot myself. I don't have it in my portfolio, but nonetheless, it's went up by 0.92% and up 20.47% in the last 7 days. USD coin has went down a little bit, down to 99 cents. And it's went up basically nothing in the last 7 days. Crypto.com's coin has went up by 12.29% and 22.63% in the last 7 days. Very good also. Filecoin is doing not too bad either. That's at $31.03. It's went up by 5.28% and in the last 24 hours, and it has went up by 4.99% in the last 7 days. Overall, guys, the market is looking really good. I actually really want it to pop down into a dip in the next few weeks so that I can buy a little bit more cryptocurrency, but I bought it just as we were starting to get some bullishness going on when it started to go up. So I kind of missed out a little bit, but nonetheless, I was able to put my Bitcoin up by a decent amount. Overall, in the last week and a half, I've probably went up without me having to put anything in, bearing in mind I'm a low-level trader and a low-level investor. I've managed to put up a whopping £20 to £25, roughly speaking. Now, I'm going to take some of that profit, which you should always do, take some of that profit out and put it into fiat currency, such as the pound sterling for me, or the United States dollar in America, yen in China, so on and so forth. You get the message. So far, guys, I'm really happy with getting into cryptocurrency. Everything is looking up, and by the looks of things, guys, by Christmas time, New Year, which should still be a bull market from what I've been told by that Martini guy and a few others, we should be at $20,000. Now, I must make this very clear, guys. I am not giving you any financial advice. I am not an investor. I take zero responsibility for any trades that you make, good or bad. But I would definitely say if you want to get into cryptocurrency, now is definitely the time. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. This has been Crypto Gamer. Look at that.